And today it's the 22nd of May 2023. This is amazing. It's also on Unikkotie, Violvegen, the 10 staircase. Was it?
B.
I filled the staircase here before. We still need to get to the staircase here. It's here in Tikkurila, Tikkurila. In SGS was region, Finland, Finland, in Vantaa, and they have 7 floors. It was built in 1970 by ValmetSchlieren, and the capacity is 3 versus 2 grams. Turned 50 years old in 2020. Whereas we have 2212. It should have been, or it will be inspected in 2024, next year. They shouldn't have a refurbished interior.
Yeah.
Let's take tours here. This interior feels a bit generic.
Yeah.
Yeah. But at least the lamp and the doors are still original here.
Yeah. Inspected by Lift Control Finland, maintained by Pääkaupunkiskeskus. And the entrance on the first floor. Like I said, thank you very much for watching. Let's turn the lights. That's
The light switches are